crying hard, tears hard, take me home hard, and I'm not a quitter.
So this is what I came for.
I've just spent the night in Wungong hut with Lulu and with Paul. There were 2 other riders I met at the previous hut. Yesterday was extremely hard. I'm not going to go into much detail, but I'm thinking the whole thing through. Last to leave today, I'm taking my time. There's about 20 to 30 kilometres to Jarrahdale. In Jarrahdale there's food and everything, but probably no accommodation. There's very limited accommodation and it's Friday night. So I possibly may be stealth camping tonight. There's 0 chance of me getting to the next hut as I had planned, so already my plan is out the window. So anyway, here we are in the hut here at Wungong. It is an absolutely stunning hut. Same layout as most of the others. We've got a beautiful bush view. The layout of the inside is pretty much all identical. I was in this corner with my tent long ways so I could get in and out easily. I found the challenge the other night was I couldn't get in and out of the tent that easy. Here's my second pair of bibs trying to dry. My bike partially loaded and just the rest of my gear ready to be loaded. We've got 2 really good sized water tanks at the back, bike rack. Off in the distance there we have the toilet. It has the best view of any hut I've been in, I can tell you. And here is the second water tank. I've been using my Zoleo to communicate with Mike. It's been a bit difficult because there's so much forest here. There's not a lot of clear sky. And my message to him yesterday didn't get through, and I think he was worried. So I need to be in places where there's a lot of clear sky so it can get direct access to the satellite. So I'm never sure whether or not he's got my message. I'll send him another one at lunchtime. But yes, it's an absolutely beautiful spot. There's a camping area. If we walk further down this way here, there's really nice camping areas if the huts are full. So there you go, Wungong hut. I spent night 2 here. Today, already the plan's out the window. I'll be walking and grizzling and bitching and carrying on about most of this next section. These first 4 days are mountain biking, and I'm telling you, they're mountain biking intermediate level 3. I'm not a mountain biker, and I am finding this so hard. Crying hard, tears hard, take me home hard. So let's see what the day brings, and hopefully you'll see a happy Kathy at the end of the day.
So back there I just came through another really mountain bike section. If you're a mountain biker you'd love it, but I just pushed it the entire way up and I'm stuffed. This is the sort of stuff I like. Nice gravelly roads, not too many obstacles, not too steep. In other words, I'm a rail trail rider, I've discovered. I'm definitely not a mountain biker. When I get to Jarrahdale, I'm going to ask or find out if there's any more mountain biking ahead of me, because I don't like it. Not on a bike that's this big, this heavy.
So I've just been riding for probably about an hour and a half. It's been tough again. Lots of mountain biking. Met a really lovely fellow. His name was Kevin. He was the guy who put all the toilet paper in Wungong hut. So thank you, Kevin. You're a great guy, and he's a little bit of a trail angel, to be honest. He gave me a little bit of advice about what's coming up. I've decided to stay in Jarrahdale. Not far to go. I just need to rest up, otherwise I'll quit. And I'm not a quitter. So if I push myself too hard, I'll quit. If I take an extra day and just chill out, I've got more chance of going on. He did tell me that the trail does get a little bit less mountain bikey as we go along. But yeah, I've just stopped here. I found this perfect wee rock. So I've got my little rock, I've got my sit pad on it. I've pulled off the trail here, and this is the little stand, bike stand. I don't know if you can see here. Little bike stand that Mike made up for me out of a tent pole and a little fork. little fork thing. You can see right in there. And it's under a bit of weight, but it's working fine. But yeah, just stopped here for a little bit of a rest. There is no rush. It's very tempting at the start to go a bit gung-ho. And I'm beginning to realise what my limitations are. I'm not a mountain biker. I don't enjoy it. I don't like it. I'm missing all the beautiful scenery because I'm so focused on looking at the bloody trail. I've walked most of it. I've been walking more than I've been riding, and I haven't had fun. I'm just waiting for the fun to start. So if I don't slow down now, I'm at very high risk of bailing and completely pulling out of this thing that I've been planning for 18 months, and I'm not a quitter. Anyways, look at that gorgeous view there.
So this is what I came for. All day it's been excuse my French, single track. But this is the riding I like to do. Nice farmland, gravel. Just met some gravel bike riders who are zooming along, enjoying it. I think it's just too advanced for me. There's nothing actually wrong with the trail itself, it's beautiful. It's just that this little black duck doesn't have the skills to handle it. This is beautiful. This is what I like. So this is what I thought it was going to be like. I actually haven't filmed all the bad stuff because it was just too sketchy. But this is what I had hoped for. And virtually zero of this the first 2 days. This is day 3. Oh, I'm just so tired. I'm exhausted. I've got 32 degrees today, man. Where am I? It's so windy. Jarrahdale.